Hi, my name is Charmaine and I am the Pathways Engagement Coordinator in the Academic Pathways Office. Our team helps students looking to further their education with a pathway to Seneca, within Seneca, and beyond. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our inbound transfer guide, which is a fantastic resource for students with previous post-secondary education who are looking to leverage their existing credits towards earning a Seneca credential. You can use the inbound transfer guide to find available pathway options based on your prior post-secondary institution and program of study. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type in senecacollege.ca/pathways. This will lead you to the Academic Pathways webpage. Once you land on this page, you will find a link to the inbound transfer guide in two locations. One, on the gray bar where it says Pathways to Seneca, and two, under Pathways to Seneca from another institution. For this demonstration, I will select Pathways to Seneca from the gray bar. Now you are on the inbound transfer guide page. There are two options for you to search pathway options. One, Explore by School, and two, Explore by Seneca program. Let me show you how to use the Explore by School option. First, select your previous post-secondary institution from the list. For example, I will select Seneca. Once selected, you will see the pathways available to Seneca students looking to pathway into another Seneca program. You can narrow down your search further by typing in your current program name to see the pathways available. For example, if I type in accounting, you will see the programs that I can pathway into from that diploma. If you see a pathway that interests you, click on the pathway title under the pathway column. From here, you will see full pathway details, eligibility requirements, and how to apply. You can also view the block map and completion plans. So I'm going to click on the block map. The block map highlights the credits you are eligible to receive and how many reach back courses you would have to take. Note that not all pathways will require that you complete reach back courses. The completion plan highlights the courses you are required to complete and when. Some pathways will have more than one completion plan if there is more than one available term of entry. As you can see here, we have 3 completion plans, one for fall entry, one for winter, and one for summer. Now going back to the inbound transfer guide, let's talk about how to use the Explore by Seneca program tab. You will have to choose which Seneca program you're interested in and the post-secondary institution that you attended previously to see the pathway options. For example, if I was interested in the Honors Bachelor of Commerce Accounting and Finance degree, I will select that program from the drop-down list. Okay, here we go. And then I will select my previous post-secondary institution from the second drop-down list. For this example, I will use Seneca. From here, I can see all of the Seneca programs that pathway into the Honors Bachelor of Commerce Accounting and Finance degree. If I select the first option on the list, I will see the full pathway details again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, you can contact us by email at academic.pathways@senecacollege.ca.